Layer combos. Layer combos. What about layer combos? Designers, by the way, often create multiple compositions or combos of a page layout to show clients. Using layer combos, you can create and manage and view multiple versions of a layout in a single Photoshop file, by the way. And a layer combos is a snapshot of a state of the layers panel. And layers combos record three types of layer option, by the way. Layer visibility. Whatever a layer is showing or hidden, and layer positioning in the document, and layer appearance, and whether a layer style is applied to the layer and the layer's blending mode, and layer comp selection for smart objects. How to create a layer comp? We have option now. Choose window, then choose layer comp to display the layer comp panel, like this screenshot now. Choose layer comp to display the layer comp panel. And number 2, click the create new layer comp button and plus icon at the bottom of the layer comp panel, and the new comp reflects the current state of layers in the layers panel. Number 3, in the new layer comp dialog box, name the comp and add descriptive comments and choose options to apply to layers visibility or position and appearance, and layer style and layer comp selections for smart objects, like this screenshot now. New layer comp, and you have to choose now layer name, and layer name you have to choose any name you like to name your layer. Name layer comp dialog. And number 4, click OK, and the options you choose are stored as defaults for your next comp, by the way. To duplicate a comp, select a comp in the layer and comp panel and drag the comp to the new comps button, by the way. Apply and view layer comps. In the later comp panel, do any of the following. To view a layer comp, you first need to apply it. Then click to apply, then layer comp icon next to a selected comp, and the cycle through a view of all layer comps. Use the previous and next buttons at the bottom of the panel to cycle through specific comps. First select them, and to restore the document to its state before you choose a layer comp, click the apply layer comp icon, then next to last document state at the top of the panel. How to change and update a layer comp. If you change the configuration of a layer comp, you need to update it. Number 1, select a layer comp in the layer comps panel. Number 2, make changes to the layer's visibility, position or style, and you may need to change the layer comps options to record these changes. Number 3, to change your comp options, select layer comp options from the panel menu and select additional options to record layer position and style. Number 4, click the update layer comp button at the bottom of the panel. And layer comps in smart objects. Layer comps in smart objects. How to use layer comps in smart objects. Consider a document with layer comps placed as a smart object within another document, by the way. And when you select the smart object in the containing document, the properties panel gives you access to the layer comps that were defined in the source file. And this feature, by the way, lets you change the state of the smart object at the layer level without editing the smart object in a way. Like this screenshot now. Properties, and you have to choose first state and layer comps and in the smart object now here. And how to clear layer comp warnings. How to clear layer comp warnings. 13 actions create a state where the layer comp can no longer be fully restored. This happens, by the way, when you delete a layer and merge a layer or convert a layer to a background in such instances, and a caution icon appears next to the layer comp name. And you should do the following now. Ignore the warning, and which may result in the loss of one or more layers. Other saved parameters may be preserved, and update the comp, and which results in the loss of the previously captured parameters, and but brings the comp up to date. And click the caution icon to see the message explaining that the layers comp can't be restored properly, and choose clear to remove the alert icon and leave the remaining layers unchanged. And so after that, right click if you use Windows or control click if you use Mac OS, and there's a cushion icon to see the pop-up menu that lets you choose either the clear layer comp warning or the clear all layer comp warning command. How to delete a layer comp? How to delete a layer comp? You should do one of the following now. Select the layer comp in the layer comps panel and click the delete icon, and in the panel or choose delete layer comp from the panel menu. Then drag it to the delete icon in the panel. And how to export? How to export layer comps? How to export the layer comps? You can export layer comps individually, individual files only. You can to export layer comps individually file only, and you have to choose file, then choose export, then layer comps to files, and then choose the file type and set the destination.